Hi, welcome back to Skill Lab Swim Revit course. In this video, we'll see how to create stairs and how to create stairs using sketch option. Let's get started.
To draw stairs, activate the floor plan, go to Architecture tab. In Circulation, you find stairs, click on it. In Run, select how you want to draw your run. Let me select the state option, and once you select the type of run, it's time to select the type of stairs. For that, go to Properties. In the drop down, you can see that there is option for Assemble Stair, Cast in Place, Precast. I'll select Monolithic Stairs. Next is look for the constraints. The base level is level 1, top level is level 2. But in Revit, we need not keep on calculating the dimensions of the stairs, but we need to do few adjustments. Okay, so for that, go to Edit Type. If you are okay with these parameters, then proceed to the drawing. Otherwise, duplicate, rename, and then change the parameter value. The maximum riser height was 180. I'll change it to 150 mm and the thread to be 250 mm. Apply. OK. Now, in the dimensions under property palette, I can see that the design number is 20. But what I suggest you is always take the next even number to draw the stairs. Okay. So, it will become 22, right? Now, while drawing, see, you can see lightly there it gives the number of risers that is being created, like 11 risers created, 9 remaining, right? If I select 22 design number of steps, so I have to divide it half and half. So what I'll do, I'll take the 11 steps here, click, give some space and draw the other. It only takes 9, but as I said, I need to do some adjustments. I'll do it once it's get created. I'll finish it and I'll go to my elevation view. Say east. See, when I activate my elevation view east, my stairs, I wanted it to be from level 1 to level 2. But there is some gap between my, the step and the level. So what I'll do, I'll click on it, I'll go to Edit Stairs, I'll click on it, this flight again, and I'll drag this arrow to front. So till here it was earlier. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating 2 more steps, right? This will be up to the level 2 and this step will be attached to my floor. If I have a floor here or the roof, it gets attached to that. Okay, so if I give finish, gives me this warning, just close it. Right, so this is how we draw the stairs. Go to level 1, click on it. If we click on the this flip control arrow here, it changes the direction. Okay, before it was like this. I had to go up, I should be moving in this direction, but when I flip it, this will be my upside, this will be my climbing direction. Okay, in this way. Now let's see how to draw stairs using the sketch option. Go to Architecture, in Circulation, click on Stairs. Under this, create sketch. Right. First, we have to set the boundaries, then create the risers. To set the boundaries, I'll click on line. Boundaries will be represented by green line, say 200. Okay. I used the line option and the arc option to draw these boundaries using mirror, modifying mirror option also. Right. This green line represents the boundary. Next, click on riser and then take the line option to draw the riser. Great. Next, I'll take the offset option of 250 to create the stairs. I think this will be enough. Now, I have to adjust this to the boundary. And give finish. So it gives me the number here, that is this is 1 and this is 9 and it's in this direction. Let me just see it in the 3D view. This is how my stair gets created. In elevation, if I see, let me just move it. See, in elevation it is like this. I had given it the height of 200. That's why it is so. This is how you can use the sketch option to draw your stairs. Again, if I give edit sketch, I can change anything here. Okay, if I have to drag this, I can do it and give finish, and the stairs are created in this row. So this was about drawing the stairs. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We offer full BIM Revit courses. Details are given in the description, and there is a simple quiz on this video's topic. Give it a try. You'll find the link in the description. See you in the next video.